How to disable incognito mode in Google Chrome. Right now, I am in my Google Chrome browser, and if I click on the three dots in the top right corner, you can see the incognito mode is disabled or grayed out in my Google Chrome. If you want to apply the same settings into your Google Chrome browser and want to disable your incognito mode, just follow these simple steps and you will be able to disable incognito browsing on Google Chrome. So now, just to show you, I removed the settings I have applied earlier. And now, if I click on the three dots in the top right corner, as you can see, the incognito browsing is working on my Google Chrome. So to disable it, close this window. Go to the Windows search bar and type in Registry. Click on the Registry editor and select Run as Administrator. On this page, expand the HKey local machine folder and then expand the software folder. Now expand the Policies folder. Right-click on the Policies folder, hover over New and select Key. Name this folder to Google and make sure the first letter must be capital. Now right-click on Google, hover over New and select Key. Name this folder to Chrome and make sure the first letter must be capital. Inside Chrome, right-click on the empty space. Hover over New and select the D-word 32-bit value from the list. Name this folder to Incognito Mode Availability without any space. And the first letters must be capital as well. Now left-click on the empty space and then right-click on the Incognito Mode Availability folder and select Modify from the list. Here, change this value from 0 to 1 and then click on OK. Once you complete all the steps, restart your computer. And now, if I open Google Chrome browser and click on the three dots in the top right corner, here, as you can see, the incognito browsing is disabled permanently. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.